A Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students, Workbook Lessons 115, Review of Lessons 99 to 100. For morning and evening review, salvation is my only function here. My function here is to forgive the world for all the errors I have made, for thus am I released from them with all the world. My part is essential to God's plan for salvation. I am essential to the plan of God for the salvation of the world, for He gave me His plan that I might save the world. On the hour, say, salvation is my only function here. On the half hour, say, my part is essential to God's plan for salvation. So that's it for today. Thank you. I love you. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Bye.